Hello friends. Welcome to Rayyan Perfumes. Perfume is the key to your memories. Feel the smell with Rayyan Perfumes, your trusted online store. How to use Bukhoor Incense. To use, break a small amount of incense and place onto your charcoal burner or an electric Bukhoor burner, usually a pinch is enough. Long-lasting, burn a small amount for a lingering fragrance in your home. Fragrance stays in your room longer as compared to competing brands. Charcoal or electric burner. Crumble a small piece of Bukhoor on a charcoal or electric type burners. Why Bukhoor? Name it is made from natural and organic fragrance oils. Use in your home, offices, or gift it to your special ones on any occasion. Fragrance notes. Bukhoor name's notes include sandalwood and Bulgarian rose, creating an enchanting burning experience. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and the social media links. You can also visit my website www.rayyanperfumes.com. Invite your friends to our channel and please don't forget to click to subscribe and to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching Rayyan Perfumes, your trusted online store.